This is George here from These Are the Voyages Travel. Um, just thought you want to see if our hotels combined site here, if you're into booking your own hotels. This right here is a boon. This right here, this kicks butt. First of all, over here you search hotels and everything, how many rooms and all that, and it searches all of these and many more, as you can see. And the site accepts cookies, so just click accept, unless for some reason you have a problem with that. But see, here's some of the many myriad locations where you get hotels, and here's some of the hotels that you can get. And there's thousands and these hundreds in some of these places. Now you could browse even more destinations, but here's what I want to show you, especially every day we have hot deals. 14 hot deals. Here's today's 14 hottest deals. And you click all this over. See, a lot of these are in New York, but yeah, and there's some in South Korea, Bangkok, Seoul, South Korea, Bangkok, Thailand, etc., etc. And here's one in Hong Kong. Now, well, let's see. Let me see. You could view the deals over here, and so here, and then you see, of course, the details right over here. Here's another booking form, and all these of each hotel. You can set a price or two if you want, but right now we're just gonna look at these posh hotels. I mean, wouldn't you want to stay there if you needed time to get away from it all? Take a vacation from work, or maybe if you're an employer or a sales manager or something, incentive travel, that sort of thing. And this is just New York right over here. Look at how posh. And of course, there's different prices of hotels and all that. So let's look at some of the ones outside of New York, like this one over here. Click over here, click over, and here's some of the ratings. So I want to make sure you look at the ratings if that means a lot to you. You don't want to get taken. Travel is very expensive. But here is the Rosedale Hotel, Kowloon, and there's some pictures here. You can look at pretty much anything over here. Here's some of the actual rooms and stuff, and so look, they tell you some of the amenities and stuff like that. And here's a description and stuff like that. There's a map. There's pretty much everything. And here's some of the providers that that Hotels Combined works with. And let's see, tells you who stays here, how many solo travelers, how many couples. In this case, couples are real big. So any of you guys that looking for a couples getaway, check that out when you look at these hotels. Just look at your niche. And cleanliness, dining facilities, location, rooms, service, and of course, there's some with here's some of the testimonials and all the comments, the reviews and stuff, and a lot of the places get better ratings than that for sure. So basically, you see best prices guaranteed. So they have a promise right here. So I think you guys get the picture, and you can save hotels to your wish list at a price lower, as I mentioned before. Save though, share the hotel with friends. So anyway, I think you get the picture. So check it out one of these days. This is George saying ciao and boldly go where you've always dreamed. And have so also wherever you and yours have always dreamed of traveling, just contact us at the link in the description. Any of the links in the description. Ciao.